It's vintage recipe time, and this recipe has been around for over a century, and it's been very popular at Thanksgiving. Keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making a recipe that has been a tradition for Thanksgiving, and honestly you can make this at any time. It's called Ambrosia Salad. This salad, I don't know when it originated, but it definitely has been around for over a century. It is a well-loved salad, and I thought I would go ahead and share it for this month's vintage recipe, especially since Thanksgiving is right around the corner. So let's go ahead, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll put the salad together because it's an easy one. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go over the ingredients. I am doubling this recipe, so I just want to give you a heads up on that. I kind of divided it up, as you can see. I just thought it looked cute. But anyway, I have 2 Cool Whip containers or whip topping. I have 2 jars of the maraschino, is that how you say it? Maraschino cherries. I have 2 cans of the mandarin oranges. I have 2 cans of the crushed pineapple. I have 2 bags of the sweetened coconut flakes. I have 1 bag of mini marshmallows, and honestly, I think I may come up a little bit short with the marshmallows. We'll have to see. I probably should have grabbed 2 since I'm doubling it. We'll have to see as we make it. I have sour cream. I have a larger container of that because I am doubling the recipe. And again, that's just the duplicate. And that's all the ingredients, my friends. That's it. All right, my friends, so as you saw, very few ingredients. We don't have to bake anything. We don't have to cook anything. We can just throw this together very quickly. I did want to mention I got this recipe off of I Heart Eating. So let's go ahead and head on over and put this together. All right, my friends, I've prepped everything, drained everything. My 2 cans, and as I mentioned, I am doubling this recipe. My 2 cans of crushed pineapple, I did put it in this strainer and try to get as much liquid out of it as possible. It's been sitting there for a little while. I squished it up against it, spread it out, and it's been sitting there for a little bit, trying to get as much juice off as possible. I have my 2 jars of cherries. I did slice them in quarters, and I just got out of the shower. My hands were very red. So we're going to dump those in. Try not to get the juice that's in there in. And then I have my 2 cans of mandarin oranges, and I drained both of those as well. Alrighty, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix this up real quick. Alrighty, let's go ahead and stir this up first. And I will link this recipe in the description box so you have it. Alrighty, and just get that mixed up really, really well. Alrighty, and now I'm going to add in my Cool Whip. I have 2 I believe they're 8-ounce containers. Yes, 2 8-ounce containers. So we're going to put those in. Just like that. And like I said, I am doubling this recipe. And now we're going to add in our sour cream. This is about 1 1/3 cups of sour cream. I'm just going ahead and put the entire container in there. It's a little bit more than it calls for, but I'm just going to go ahead and use all of it. Not a whole lot. Okay. And then we're going to add in our marshmallows. I did only need 1 bag of marshmallows. I thought for sure I was going to need 2, but I did only need 1, and that's all I bought, so thank goodness. And then we're going to go ahead and just mix this together. Just like that. Just get it mixed really, really well. I'm just kind of like folding it a little bit. Alrighty, and we hit there. And then lastly, we're gonna add in our, what's this called? Sweetened shredded coconut. I found this in the bacon section. I bought 2 bags, but I only needed 1. I wasn't quite sure. This is 1 bag. So we're gonna add the coconut, and then we're just going to keep stirring until everything is mixed really well. And friends, this is all the ingredients that's going in the salad. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and then I'm gonna take it to work. Alrighty. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it set for a little bit, and then we'll come back and do a quick taste test. All right, my friends, so I put it in this little dish here. It's heavy, so I'm gonna take that to work. I'll give you a close-up picture so you can see the whole thing. Now, I'm gonna be totally transparent here. I do not like anything cherry, nothing cherry. When I was a child, I had strep throat all the time. They could not keep me well enough to get my tonsils out. And the cough medicine that I had to take for nothing cherry. So I took a little bit out, got some oranges. I know there's gonna be a little bit of cherry in here, so I'm forewarning you, I probably will not like this but I'm trying this for you all because I've never ate this. The reason why, because I don't like cherries. But I will let you know up on the screen all around what my coworkers thought. So let's go ahead, give this a taste. Yeah. I can smell the cherry. Yeah. I didn't get a cherry in there. The marshmallow. The texture's a little weird, I gotta be honest. All right, that's not horrible, not horrible. The texture's a little weird for me. You got the coconut in there, the marshmallows. I'm not a marshmallow fan when it comes to little marshmallows. I like marshmallow fluff on the snowballs. That's the only time I eat it. But honestly, the taste is not bad. I'm surprised. Would I eat it for Thanksgiving or any other time? For me personally, no. So I'm curious, if you've ever made ambrosia salad, let me know below. And like I said, I'll let you know what my coworkers think. Anyway, friends, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't already, please hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.